All right. So I took the rear AC apart, flushing out the lines. I got bought some flush for the system. Going to be well, that's already cleaned out, but all new O-rings, all new gaskets. Everything is going to get flushed. I'm going to have to replace, if they're still available, both doors. See how that one's broken? And this one over here. If these aren't available, I know I can fix them with some steel clamps, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm more interested in the AC being back here than the heat. So if need to be, I'll just block off the heat and just have AC back here. So that's kind of where I'm at. Still ripping it apart, and only a month or two to No Name Nationals.